So good afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
In today's class, we are going to start chapter number 8, Wind, Storm, and Cyclone. As the chapter name is showing that these all are the disasters. So these are the natural disasters like high wind storms and cyclones. So we are going to study why that cyclones and storms are there, why there is a high wind speed, and what happens when it creates a low pressure area. So all that activities we are going to study in this chapter. So I'm sharing the misunderstood words of this chapter first of all. So misunderstood words are the key words you can say which are at the back side of the chapter, at the end of the
How
chapter.
cyclone?
So let's start with these words. First word is wind. So children, this time I am
How
giving you
cyclone was
sentences
made?
also, as the word should be clear to you. With the help of a sentence, the word will clear to you. First is wind. So Dhavanya, you can tell. It's a very simple word. Already on the daily basis, we are using this word, the wind.
Ma'am, wind. The moving air is called wind.
The simplest definition, the moving air is known as wind. And we can say the wind is extremely hot today, or the wind is blowing at the faster rate. Any of the, yes, Yashika? Next word is,
Storm, a violent disturbance of atmosphere with strong wind and usually rain, thunder, lightning, or snow.
so children,
Sentence.
whenever we
We
talk about, okay, whenever we talk about
Excuse me,
storms,
ma'am.
storms are very violent disturbance of the atmosphere. And sometimes the rain also comes with the strong winds, so that
the
are
sentence,
as the storms.
sentence is he had
Okay,
braved the
okay, fine,
storm last
Yashika,
night.
you
Excuse
can
me,
frame
ma'am.
your own
Ma'am,
sentences,
the
beta.
definition of the wind is given on the first page of the chapter, ma'am, at the
Yes,
top.
no need to tell, everybody will find themselves, find out yourself. Wind is extremely hot. Wind, you have find it out. Storm, you must have seen when the high wind speed with a high wind speed is there
Ma'am,
with
I
a,
was all alone at night when storm came.
yes, I was alone at night when the storm was there. So you can write down any of the sentence. Cyclone. Yes, Swastik. Unmute. A system of winds rotating inwards to an area of low barometric pressure. So that is known as a clockwise even. That is known as cyclone. It comes with a very high wind speed. Next, Haryanshi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask something, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have written northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So, ma'am, the cyclone came anti-clockwise in northern hemisphere and clockwise in
Yes.
southern
So there
hemisphere.
is a difference. That's why it is written better. There is a difference
Okay,
between
ma'am.
the circulation. Next instrument
Okay,
is
ma'am.
an anemometer that used to measure wind speed and wind pressure. It's very, very important. Kindly underline. This question may be in 1 mark or in MCQs. The instrument used to measure wind speed or wind pressure. Next is pressure, simple word. Pressure means the force exerted on a by an object on a given area, or the something in contact with it, that is known as pressure. After that, low pressure, a condition of the atmosphere in which the pressure is below average, then we used to say low pressure. And if it is high, high means more than the average, that is known as high pressure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next comes thunderstorm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, is there any average pressure?
then there will be nothing. It will be okay. No problem will be there. No high
No,
wind
ma'am. There
speed.
is. Ma'am, is there any average pressure?
Yes, that's why I'm
Ma'am,
saying
so
that
it
then there
will
will
be
be no
medium.
problem. Yes,
Okay, ma'am. It will be medium. No high,
yes,
no low.
no mediocre, medium will there. Okay. Next is Thunderstorm. A storm with thunder and lightning. That is known as thunderstorm. Monsoon winds. The winds that generally blow during the monsoon season. Children, these words you can take from your
Ma'am, the
book even.
thunderstorm contains lightning.
Lightning and thunder both are there. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
typhoon. So, tropical storm in a region of the Indian or Western Pacific Oceans. That is known as typhoon. And one more word is there, hurricane. So, that is in Japan. The violent wind is said to be as hurricane. Okay, Atharv, you want to say something? You can tell.
Ma'am, hurricane is only held in Japan.
Yes, I'm not saying it is holding in Japan. Yes, Atharv, give
Ma'am,
the. Yes.
hurricane is another name of cyclone.
Yes, it is another name of cyclone. That's I'm saying to you. Lightning,
Yes, ma'am. In Odisha,
that is a
a
bright
cyclone came.
spark.
Ma'am,
Light,
it came 2 times in Odisha, ma'am. At 18th October and at 29 October.
yes. So lightning is a bright strike and it's for a short duration, but the voltage is very, very high. Next is wind flow pattern. Already we have done the wind flow pattern, means in which direction the wind is blowing. And the tornado is there. It's mobile, destructive, rotating winds.
Ma'am,
And
we can know it with the weathercock, ma'am,
yes,
at which
it is of
direction the
funnel
wind is
shaped.
blowing.
It is of funnel shaped cloud. So these are the misunderstood words of chapter number 8. Is it clear? So children, I want everyone to go through these words and understand the concept of wind, storm and cyclone, and after that rest of the words will be made clear in the chapter when we will be reading that chapter.